Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Can you hear my voice? Is it very clear? So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it is nice to meet you here on Zoom meeting class. So, I hope and hope that you must know the rule how to enter in the Zoom. Yeah, so you must turn on your video. Okay? It's the Zoom meeting, not Zoom audio meetings. And then so you must turn off your microphone if you don't speak. So you can turn on your microphone if you want to speak. So right, it's the rule how to do lecture in the Zoom meeting class. So right, so every student must turn on the video, yeah, and turn off the microphone, yeah. And if you want to ask some question to me, you can turn on your microphone, okay? And it is the first time you meet me and I meet you here, yeah. So I look at here, so there are 31 students who has entered the Zoom meeting, yeah, and opportunity, yeah, I'm given the task by the Faculty of Economic and Business, especially the International Management class, yeah. I have to take you human resource management, so I have my sister Bu Titi. Bu Titi is my sister, yeah. So I'm her brother, yeah. So I'm not the lecturer of Untan, but I'm the lecturer of Panchabakti University. Yeah, I specialize in marketing. Yeah, but in Untan, I teach you SRM, Human Resource Management. I also teach in IAIN. Yeah, in IAIN Pontianak, I teach Islamic marketing. Yeah, how to I teach marketing fit from the Islamic perspectives. Yes, okay. Yeah, so I hope that in my lecture, so you must be active. Yeah, in discussion. So I don't want to speak more. So I must make you to speak. You speak more than I. Yeah, because more is mean that I will be smart. I'll be smarter than you. So you must, in this case, you must be smarter than that, or you must be smart. Yeah, yeah. So you must speak. And so in this course, I must inject you in discussion. Yeah. So all the course must discussions, and I've told you the way how to attend the course of HRM. So the first, you must give the opening comment. Serious. Every student must given the opportunity to give the opening comment. So say your name, so say your conditions, right? And why you enter the Zoom meeting here, what is your purpose, and what you know about the topic discussed today, so right? So and then I will post 3 days from 3 days before the course, some materials and some questions to discuss, yeah. And then after the discussion is over, after the class is over, so you must video records, yeah. So I use digital learning, so that it means that you must use YouTube and you must be record, and so everything must be video recorded, so right? So you must use technology in this course, so right? Yeah. Okay. Any question? I think you have known my name, yeah. You have known my name. Some people call me Mr. Adi, so right? I'm Adi Musalins, yeah, and some people call Mr. Adi. So in this class, we can share something on human resource management. So when maybe you have experience in human resource management, you can share here, yeah. And we must speak English and don't speak Bahasa, because you are the international student. It means that you study at international class, so you must speak English, not Indonesian anymore, so right? Yeah, you must try to speak English and speak English and speak English, right? Yeah, in this case, so you must also study grammar, tenses, because if you want to speak English very well, you must know grammar, you must know tenses, yeah. But in speaking, so mutual understanding is very important, so right? Mutual understanding is very important, yeah. But when you write thesis, you write your paper, you must use academic language, right? You must use grammar, you must use tenses, how to write your paper, how to write your thesis, right? So when you can speak English grammatically, so it means that you are an educated person. Yeah, why? because grammar is studied in university, in school, yeah. So if you can speak English very well and grammatically, so you can be said to be an educated person or student, right? Okay. Any question to me, please? So this is the introduction, yeah, introduction lecture, yeah, introduction, yeah, introductory lecture. So I ask you to introduce yourself in English, right? I want to know how fluent your English is, yeah, yeah, how fluent your English is, yeah. Yeah, so I must make you introduce yourself in English. Say your names, your where you are from, so right, and your birthplace, yeah, and your educational background, your idea in the future, your motto in your life, and why you take international class, and why you study HRM. Yeah, I live in Pontianak. Yeah, I'm from Pontianak, so I live in Jalan Surya. In Jalan Surya, yeah, I live here in Jalan Surya. Yeah, on Jalan Ulianso 1 Gang 3 nomor 8A, ya. So because of the pandemic COVID-19, so yeah, actually, so the government of West Kalimantan has given the opportunity to the lecturer to Untan or to the university to do the offline learning, yeah, offline lecture, but it is still restricted. Yeah, 50% of the student can come to campus, and 50 other student study online. But because HRM is the theoretical subject course, so I had better to teach you online. Yeah, if I teach you twice today, I must go to campus to teach you offline, and the other day, the other 50 students, I take the same subject. It's boring, I think. Yeah, it's boring. So I prefer to teach you online, full online. Yeah, yeah, because this I think that it's not different from online and offline because we can meet here. Yeah, the difference is only the virtual room. The virtual room. Okay. Okay, so let's start now. Before we start now, so I ask you to give the opening comment first. Yeah. After giving your opening comments, you must introduce yourself in English. So your opening comment include your name, your condition, and why you enter the Zoom meeting here. Okay. Please I call you one by one, yeah. From Jakia Nur sana, Jakia. Please Jakia Nur.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, please.
Okay, so my name is Zakia Nuriksanida. My condition is good. And the reason why I take this class today is to learn human research management. And I will start with my introduction. My name is Zakia Nuriksanida. I live in Wonoyoso 1 Street in LA 3, number 8A1. I am from Pontianak. I graduated from SMA Negeri 3 Pontianak. The reason why I take international class is that I want to take the exchange program. My idea in the future is to continuously to become a better person, whether it is in the academic life or in daily life. The reason why I take human research management because human research management is one of the important things that we need to learn in management. And the important role of human research management that I know is that human research management can maintain the organizational cultural in the organization. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, so Jakia, so you live near my house. I live in also one year so yeah, my house, yeah. I live on Jalan Unya 1 Gang 3 number 8A, and you live on Jalan Unya 1, yeah? Is it true?
Yes.
It's very near. Yeah, very near with my house. Good. So you can meet me today if you want. Yeah, you can have discussion with me if you have some question. You can come to my house, right? Because your house, your home address is near. It's very near, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, so your English very good, yeah. So you must very important, yeah, in every organization. Yeah, so you must take the central part, yeah, the central part, yeah, in organization. Without human resources, your company will do nothing, right? Your marketing department will do nothing. Your finance department will do nothing without good human resources, right? So later we will talk about what's the difference between human resources and human capital, right? Okay, good. And then Adrian Sial. Where's Adrian? Are you in, Adrian?
Hi, sir.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Adrian Shah. I'm in a good condition. First of all, why I attend this class is because I want to learn about human resource. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adrian Shah. I am Management International class student batch 2020 at University of Tanjung Pura. I live in North Pontianak, Siantar Tengah, Jalan Gusti Situt Makmur, Gang Selat Sumba 10, number 19. I was born in Pontianak and I was graduated from Santo Franciscus Assisi Senior High School. Why I choose Management International class is because I want to gain knowledge about management, and at the same time I want to improve my English skill because in daily meeting we use English as a language in communication. For my ideal future, I take Management International class is I hope to get a higher job opportunities and work in a good company or maybe do a startup. Motto in my life is La Vie en Rose, which means to see everything positively. Why I take this human resource class is because I think human resource is very important and very useful for me as a student who want to gain more knowledge about management. I think HRM or human resource management play a very important role in organization because human resource organization, we can produce good professional and competent human in an organization or business that will bring or lead success to organization or business. That's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. You're very good, Adrian. Yeah, good English. So I look at you speaking English. I watch you speak English. So you have good grammar. Yeah, good, very good, and it's very fluent. So it is the advantage you enter the school. It means that after you graduate from the economic faculty, so you have a good command of English. Yeah. So you can go international, yeah. You can go abroad. You can go abroad to apply for jobs, right? Because you can speak English, yeah. This one advantage for you, yeah. Yeah. In comparison with the regular class, yeah. The regular class has to speak Indonesian, so it speak bahasa, right? And you know, in this class, all of you must speak English, right? Not bahasa. This means that you have two languages at least, bahasa and English. You must study also Mandarin, right? And also the other language, yeah. You have to have a lot of foreign languages. Okay, good. And then Alamin, are you in Alamin?
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. Assalamualaikum, sir. Good morning, sir, and everyone. My name is Alamin. I'm in good condition. And why I join in this Zoom meeting because I want to learn about human resources management. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Al-Amin MZ. You can call me Amin. My address is Jalan Adi Sucipto Gang Bunga. I'm from Kuburaya. And I graduated from Vocational High School 3 Pontianak. And the reason I take international class because I want to work and gain experience in a foreign company or multinational corporation, and then when I have enough money, I want to continue my studies at abroad. Yeah. And in the future, after I get experience from working abroad, I will return to Indonesia, and then I gather with my friends to establish a business partnership or corporation because I want to create jobs from people in Indonesia. And for my motto is Manjada Wajada, which means whoever does something seriously, he will definitely succeed. And the reason I take HRM because human are a unique creator they have different characteristic and behavior. It's very important for us to learn how to treat them properly and comfortably. And the important role of HRM in organization is very important, because the development of a company is very depend on HRM. And human research who have good quality and have competence in their field can indirectly make companies grow and achieve their goals. Okay, sorry, that's it from me.
Okay, good. Yeah, good. So your name is also good. Al-Amin. So right? Amin. So what does the word Amin mean? So right? I think the Muslim people know what Amins mean. Yeah. And your motto is also very good. Manjada wat jada. Yeah, it's the Islamic motto. Yeah. So everyone must do the motto Manjada wat jada. So we must do something seriously. Yeah. Don't do something for job. It's not good. So right? When we do something, we must do something for serious, not for jokes. So right? You come here to study HRM seriously, not for jokes. Right? Sometimes, but you can have a scientific joke. Yeah, your joke you can have a joke, but your joke must be scientific. Right? Must educate. Yeah, is that true? So you can have a joke, but educate. Yeah, but our joke must educate our people. Right? Yeah, good. Yeah, good name. So I hope that you can be successful in your future. Yeah, so you want to do, yeah, you have a business, right? In the future. Yeah, so whatever you do, you must need good, competent human resources. Yeah, human resources, right? Because human resources is the assets, yeah, not the machines, right? Okay, good. So Adriel Perlindungan, is it true? Are you in, Adriel Perlindungan Panjaitan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you?
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hello. Yeah.
I am Edric Adriel Perlindungan Panjaitan, and thanks God today I'm good. And the reason I attend the lecture because I want to learn more about human resource management. So let me introduce myself. My name is Edric Adriel Perlindungan Panjaitan. You can call me Edric. I live in Jeruju Permai and I'm from Sintang, Kalimantan Barat. I was a student of SMA Negeri 1 Sintang. The reason I take international class is because I want to gain a new experience and I want to learn and improve my English skills. My idea in the future is I hope I get a proper job, whether it is in this country or abroad. My motto in my life is yesterday is a story, tomorrow is mystery, and today is a gift.
Yeah.
For me, it has a deep meaning. Yesterday is history. It means we have to let the past be the past, but we have to also learn from that.
Yeah.
So we don't do the same mistakes like we done in the past.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is mystery, as we know. We don't know what will happen in the future.
Yeah.
So we have to prepare ourselves better.
Yeah.
And today is a gift. Whenever we get a gift, whether it is a big gift or a small gift, what we have to do is we thanks for it. In Indonesia, kita bersyukur.
Yeah.
So today is a gift from God. And what we have to do is thanks for it. Thanks to God that we can live until today because it is a gift.
Yeah.
And the reason I take human resource management because I think it is an integral and expensive parts of the organization. And the important role of human resource in organizations, I think it is provides labor, employs, assigns, and gives training, and recruit, motivate, and retain personnel with the required talent and skills. So today, that's from me, sir. Thank you.
Good, very good English, yeah. Good grammar, good English, yeah. Are you in Poncana? Are you in Poncana, Edric? Are you in Pontianak now?
Not yet, but soon I will come to Pontianak.
Yeah, so I think so. The other subject also take the some offline and online, yeah. So yeah, so you are in Sintang, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So good, yeah, good English, yeah. And so I hope you can get your bright future, yeah, because future is a mystery. Good motto, yeah. Yesterday is yesterday is today, and tomorrow is good motto, yeah. So, but you must know what the mystery will be in the future, your future. But I hope that the mystery is good, yeah, better future for you, yeah, and yeah, you can get what you hope in the future, so right. So to get what you hope in the future, so you must work hard, yeah, study hard, yeah, and study smartly, not carefully, but study smartly. How to use your time wisely, yeah, in your yacht, yeah, during your yacht. So take your time very wisely. So in order to get your future. Okay, good. And then Franciscus William Andrea.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good
My
morning.
name is Franciscus William Andrea. And I'm healthy today. I'm doing fine. The reason why I attend this class is because I want to study about HRM. Okay, now please allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Franciscus William Andrea. I live in Purnama LE7, Block L, number 5. I'm from Sintang, West Kalimantan. Then I graduated from Pancastia Senior High School in Sintang. The reason why I choose international class is because I wanted to know more about business in the larger scale, EI International. My plan in the future is to seek work experience for at least 2 years in a multinational or international company, and then build my own company afterwards. My life motto is success where preparation and opportunity meet. The reasons why I take HRM class is that I want to know how to optimize the resources, which is human resource in the company, and I want to know how to maximize employee performance. Then the important role of HRM in an organization, from my opinion, is to ensure that organization have sufficient and productive workforce, both currently and for the future. HRM also play a key role as the keeper and voice of organizational ethics. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good, yeah, good English, yeah. Yeah. So are you in Pontianak now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay, and then Muhammad Taufikur Rahman. Are you in Muhammad Taufikur Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Taufik.
Yeah.
But my full name is Muhammad Taufikur Rahman. I live in Sepakat, and I came from Sanggau, and I was born in Sanggau also. But since senior high school, I already in Buraya, because I was student in SMA Kumala Bayangkari, Pontianak. The reason why I take international class management is because I want to take a chance to go abroad to get exchange program, and also someday I want to make my own coffee shop because I love coffee so much. And why I take HRM is because I want to learn about people and how to manage people, because it will help me to do my own business, and to make sure they perform well. Okay, and my motto is everything will be passed, no matter it's a good or a bad. So everything will be passed.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good, yeah. Muhammad Taufikur Rahman. Are you in Pontianak now, Muhammad Taufikur Rahman?
I'm in Pontianak, sir.
Okay. Are you at home now? Are you at home? Where are you now? At home or outside?
Sorry, sir.
Are you at home now?
No, outside.
Oh, outside. So you, yeah, you know that you wear your mask, yeah. So you are outside. Yeah, okay, good. And then,
Yes, sir.
okay, Florencia Alika, are you in, Florencia? Hello, Florencia, are you in? Florencia Alika, not present, yeah. Gloria Cerenanita, are you in? Fiona, yeah, Fiona, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
sorry, Fiona.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
My condition is good. By any chance, can you hear the interruption voice around me?
Keep on speaking. No. Yeah, keep on. It's clear. It's clear. Your voice is very clear. Can be understood.
Okay. My condition is good, and why I take this class because I want to learn about human research more since it sounds interesting. And now let me introduce myself. My name is Fiona Serenita. I live in Sungai Raya Dalam Street in Pontianak. I graduated from Bina Mulia Senior High School. The reason I take international class is because, in my own opinion, learning with English is important. And besides that, I'm interested in joining exchange program provided by this major. My idea in the future is going to be successful. And my motto in life is change the unchangeable, accept the unchangeable, and remove yourself from the unacceptable. The reason I take HRM is because I want to learn how to create and manage good human resource for company or organization. And the important role of HRM in organization is managing people and the workplace culture, as well as the environment. That's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, be successful in your future. Yeah. So you want to be successful in your life. Yeah. In everything. Yeah. In your life and in your work, in your study. Yeah. Okay. Good. And then please, Erika Teresa. Teresa. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Erika Teresa. My condition is so far so good. I attend this class because I would like to know more about human resource management. Okay. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Erika Teresa. I live on Jalan Padat Karya 2. I'm from Singkawang. I was graduated from Santo Ignatius Singkawang High School. The reason I take international class is I realize the fact that English plays an essential role in our life since it is the world's most important language. Besides, English is important to improve the quality of life by providing job opportunities. My idea in the future is either get a job or create my own business. My motto is be the better version of you. I take HRM because it is a basic knowledge about human resource, which can broaden my perspective about managing people and cooperating with others. It also can be a good foundation in creating business. As we know, human resource management plays an essential role in our organization. The important role of HRM in organization is ensuring the human talents are used effectively and efficiently as possible to reach organization goals. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, good English, yeah, grammatical English, yeah. Yes, okay. So I feel that you can reach your goal in the future, yeah. So you want to be better than everyone said that. It's good, yeah. But to be better, so you need hard to also, yeah, study harder, so that, and study study smartly. Yeah, good, yeah. Okay, Alvan Fajar.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Alvan Fajar. I live on Jalan Perdamaian, Pontianak.
Yeah.
And the reason why I chose international management class is because, of course, I want to improve my English, and also I want to have a different experience compared to the regular class. And the reason why I took HRM is because I want to learn more about the effectiveness of human in an institution, and also I want to learn how to manage them properly. And my motto in life is it's not because everything's easy so that I would believe in myself, but it's because I believe in myself, so that everything will be easy.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you are an optimistic person, yeah. So everything is easy. So that is optimistic. Yeah, good. Yeah, good also. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, to be optimistic. So we must also be like that. So we must be optimistic, not pessimistic. Yeah. We must face our future optimistically. So right. Yeah. Okay. And then Halijah Nabila Putri.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm in good condition, and the reason why I take this class because I want to learn about human resource management. And I will introduce myself. My name is Halijah Nabila Putri.
Yeah.
My home address is in Sungai Raya Dalam Street, Mitra Indah Utama 5, Block B, number B25. And I'm from Pontianak, and I graduated in Senior High School 3, Pontianak. The reason I take international class because before I got a recommendation from my family, but I was looking to find out more about what management majors, and I become interested to study it. Because why I take management majors, because I think in management we got many job opportunities, and I choose international class because the opportunity to get more, such as the study abroad, make friends from abroad, and also greater job opportunities that made me choose the international class management. My idea in the future is actually I don't have a good plan for the future, but I want myself to continue my master degree abroad and maybe get a job in there. My motto in life is that is better than perfect, and the reason I take HRM because HRM has an important function in organization. With me getting knowledge about HRM in the college, I can develop a quality of human resource in the company later. If the company has a great human resource, it will make the company success. So that's why I want to study HRM. So I get many knowledge about human resource. Thank you, sir.
Very good English, yeah. It's very good. Yeah, you're from this, so you must keep your English, yeah. Good, better and better, yeah. Yeah. And then I hope you can get your future goal. It means that you want to continue study master degree. Yeah? In what field you want to study in a master degree? What in your field? Marketing or human resource management or finance? In your master degree? In your future?
Maybe.
Why maybe?
Human resource management.
You're interested in human resource management, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay, good, yeah. So you'll be successful in your goals, yeah. And then Trisilia Ivana Riri, yeah. Trisilia, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Good day, everyone. My name is Trisilia Ivana Riri, and to be honest, I'm not feeling really well today because of my flu.
Oh, yeah.
Well, anyway, I joined this Zoom today because, as everyone else said, I want to learn about HRM. Okay, so furthermore about me, I live at Emiam Main Street, Kota Baru, Pontianak City. I went to Emmanuel since kindergarten until high school, where I chose social major. That's when I got interested with economics. I chose international class to challenge myself by leveling up not only my knowledge, but also my skill in English. In the future, either I want to open my own craft business or working at a firm, although I also like teaching kids, so maybe I can become a teacher. My life motto is be patient and be positive.
Yeah.
Well, I took HRM to enhance my knowledge about this management section beside marketing and finance. Therefore, I can truly understand how important each role of these departments. In my opinion, the important role of HRM in organization is to seek and bring out all the capabilities of the workers in order to be able to do their jobs in achieving organizational goals. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so I look at your English, I look at your speaking very, very well, so right? So I'm proud of this to all of you here because you can speak English very well, sir. Your English very fluent, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, so you want to have your own business, yeah. Yeah. So when you graduate from your faculty, so you must run your business. Yeah, don't work for government because government is restricted, yeah, to accommodate the graduations, the graduate, yeah. So it's good, yeah. Yeah, so you must be beneficial to other people. So how to make you beneficial to the people? So you must run your own business, and you can make other people work for you. So right? Very good, good job, yeah. And you also your mood's very good. Be positive, and be patient. So right? Be patient and be patient. So you must think positive, yeah. Don't think negative, yeah. So if you always think negative, it's not good. You will not be successful in your life if you always think negative. So you must think positive, yeah. And be patient. What does it mean? Be patient, yeah. Be patient means that you must study hard. It's be patient, right? You must work hard, yeah, for your future. It's be patient. Not only be silent, not only do nothing. It's not patient. Patient means that you must do something for your future. It's patience, right? Okay, understand? Okay, good. Yeah, good word also, yeah. Okay, Yatisha, Hanifah, Aida. See? Are you in, Yatisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. My condition is good, and the reason I took this class to learn HRM. And let me introduce myself. My name is Yatisha Hanifah Aida. My home address is at Jalan Marta Dinata, Sungai Jawi Dalam. I'm from Pontianak, West Kalimantan. I graduated from Al-Azhar Senior High School. The reason I took international class to improve my English and learn more management science. My future idea, my goal is to run export business. My life motto is everything that is detrimental. And the reason I took HRM is because I believe when the knowledge I learn, I will use, and I think this knowledge is very important to my future. The important role of HRM is the organization is when the recruiting employees and selecting the best among all the candidates applying for jobs in company.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
So you're from Al-Azhar, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Senior in Pontianak?
Yes.
Okay, so can you speak Arabic? So Al-Azhar is to the Islamic school, so right?
A little bit, sir.
A little bit Arabic language, yeah. Good. So you must speak English and you must speak Arabic, yeah. And you can, if you speak Arabic, you can recite the Quran and you can interpret the Quran hadith, right? Good. Yeah. Yeah, good also, yeah. But you must you must improve your pronunciation like future, not future, yes, future, so right? So improve your pronunciation. So practice your pronunciation, yeah. How to pronounce the word in English, because the wrong pronunciation can give different meanings, so right? Yeah. Like
sir.
I tell you the word present and present. The word present, the same word, yeah, but different pronunciation. Example, I'm present, and which is correct? I'm present or I'm present? Which is correct? The same pronunciation, the same word.
Present.
I'm present or I'm present?
Present.
I'm present. I'm present, sir, or I'm present, sir? This is
present.
present, sir, right? So which is correct the pronunciation? I'm present or I'm present, sir?
I'm present, sir.
Okay. I will present my topic, or I will present my topic. Which is right? I will present my topic, or I will present my topic.
I'm present.
So with the word present refers to noun or adjective. We must say present. I'm present means adjective, or I will give you a present, right? And then if it is a verb, so you must suggest I will present my topics to you, so right? I will present, not I will present. So when you present, so there's no meaning. The foreigner is the native speakers, maybe from the American, from the English people, so will be confused what does this mean. Excuse me, sir, I will present my topic to you. So they will be confused. Yeah, so different pronunciation will give the confused meanings, right? So the people will be confused too. Yeah, so you must, so everyone here must look at the pronunciation, how to pronounce the words correctly. Yeah, so I also still study to pronounce the word. Sometimes I look at I open the Google. Yes, the Google translates, and the Google Translate provide us how to pronounce the words, right? How to pronounce present and present. So both of them are right, but when we use present and when we use present, right? Like that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Like the how to say menyisir. Do you know how to say menyisir?
I don't know.
So you never menyisir every day, sir. How to say menyisir rambut, to comb your hair. How to say, and what is the past tense? Combing, not combing. Yeah. Don't say combing. It's combing, is different combing. So combing, yeah. Combing, not
okay,
combing. So that, comb, not combing. Yes, so you must. So we study how to pronounce the words, right? So,
okay, sir.
I also run an English course. So actually I don't like economy. I like English. So but I take economics possibly, sir. And because I like English. I prefer English to economics. So in my campus, I also teach English for business. I also have written English for business, English for economy. I have written 7 books, and my books are sold outside on Tokopedia. So you can look at my book on Tokopedia, on Shopee, yeah. And I have written 7 books: marketing, English for accounting, English for business. Yeah, I've written some books. And that maybe next year I will write Islamic marketing management. Yeah, and then it's called outside. Okay, to Shopee.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So yeah, so everyone here can discuss with me. Yes, my house is very near in Pontianak. When you want to have discussion, you can come to my house. Yeah, I open everyone here. I welcome every student to come to my house to have discussion. Yeah, in English. Yeah, we can practice our English together. So right? Yeah, it's very good. Yeah. Okay, good, yeah. Yeah, so I hope that you can get your future, yeah, to run business, your own business, right? But don't forget, human resources plays a very important role in your business, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, okay. And then,
thank you, sir.
Welcome, okay. And then, Jalsa Ajra Latifah. Are you in, Jalsa? Jalsa.
Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I'm Jalsa Ajra Latifah. I live in Sepakat 2 Street, Komplek Villa Sepakat, number B7. And I'm from Pemangkat, Sambas. I'm graduate from Senior High School 1 Pemangkat. The reason I take international class was because I want to improve my skill English, and my future idea is to know basic of business and company. Then I work with that experience. My life motto is never force order, because everyone has different rights and different goals. The reason I take HAM is because I have to understand HAM for the future and use in the future when I'm work. The important role of HRM in organization is to track employee and communicate with employee, because we must build the identity company to good. Okay, so thank you.
I've looked at your English, so I can give you suggestion. I can understand your English because in speaking, so mutual understanding is the most important, yeah. But when you write, you must have good grammar. So like you say that skill English, so the pattern is not good. It is MD or DM, so that, and then English skill, not English skill, yeah, and not skill English, yeah. Okay, Jasa, yeah. So can I call you Jasa? Jasa, yeah. Okay. So you is very good, yeah. So you must improve your grammar, yeah. If you write your thesis in the future, you can have good grammar. Okay, biasa. You'll be successful in your future. Okay. Okay, and then Sarip Nabil Agifut Asegap. Are you in Sarip Nabil? No. Iklima Al-Jahra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please, Iklima.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Iklima Azhara Chirsha. Why I joined this Zoom today? Because it's my obligation to join the class because I choose the HRM subject. And my home address is, I live in Sungai Raya Dalam Street, Komplek Taman Sungai Raya Asri, nomor B6. I'm from Pontianak, and I graduate from SMA Negeri 1 Pontianak. The reason I take international class because I came from a high school that most of the students, their goals is to enter the top university in Indonesia. So since I can't do that, I can't go outside of the Java since I'm the only child in the family. So I chose Untan, and not like just because I entered the Untan, but I choose the international class. So I think I'm like more similar to them, even though I went to Untan, but I go to the international class. So it's my opinion. So that's why I choose the international class. My idea of the future, actually, I don't really have a plan for my future, but my plan for the current is like I want to got the cum laude, so I can go like I can graduate. I can graduate fast from the university. I want to I have a job. I want to have a proper job. So, and then my motto in life, is this too shall pass, because nothing is permanent. And I use this press as to encouragement to remind me that a bad or unpleasant situation will eventually end. And the reason I take HRM because I'm into I really like to control people. I like to manage people. That's why I want to learn about it. And the important role of HRM in organization, I think it's really important because organization is running because of people there. So that's why we need a good quality of people to running an organization. So that's why. So that's my opinion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, good English. So you are from also senior school 1, yeah. So I also from senior school 1. So when I'm young, when I was young, I studied at senior school. I studied at senior school 1, yeah. Okay. So what does your names mean in bahasa? What does your names mean? Iklima, and then Azhara. What does it mean?
Actually, Iklima is Nabi Adam's daughter, and yeah. Azhara is Nabi Muhammad daughter. So my mother wants me to believe that the first prophet and the last prophet.
Yeah, your mother must hope that you will be like their daughter, yeah, like Nabi Adam's daughter and Nabi Muhammad.
Yeah.
Okay. And the attitude and everything, yeah. Okay, good name. Okay. And then the next is Fatimah Hajara. So it's also good name. Fatimah Hajara, yeah. Where is Fatimah Hajara? Fatimah Hajara Al Idrus. Are you in, Fatimah? Oh, no present today. Okay. Salsabila.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Halo, Salsabila.
I'm in a good condition now. I attend this class because I want to learn about HRM. So my name is Salsabila Hasya Asli. You can call me Salsa.
Yeah.
I'm from Pontianak, Jalan Silat Baru, nomor K37. I graduated from SMA Negeri 1 Pontianak.
Yeah.
I take international class because it has the exchange program, so I want to enroll myself to that program. For the future, I think I will continue my studies to postgraduate to get master and doctorate degree and be a lecturer, probably.
Okay, good.
My motto is don't think about success, but work for it. I take this HRM class, of course, because this class is for preparation for the next semester, where we will choose our concentration. I still don't know what concentration I will choose, and this is the time where I learn all introduction of each concentration so that I will choose wisely. HRM is important because in organization, there are a lot of people work together to achieve the same goals. So the HRM itself help the manager to organize the employees, how to work properly, how to create the good vibes in the workplace, etc. That's all from me, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, good. So you have the talent for being a lecturer. You have the talent for being a lecturer. So I think I hope you can get your goal in the future. Yeah, you must study your master degree. Yeah, to get a lecture, to be a lecturer, you must have master degree, yeah, at least. And then when you have money, your fund, continue your doctoral degree. Yeah, it's good idea. Yeah, to be a lecturer. Yeah, but being a lecturer is very it's not easy being a lecturer. Yeah, lecturer is rich. Yeah, why is lecturer rich? Because lecturer must have many friends. Yeah, many friends. It's rich with friends, not money. Is that right? Okay, good. Yeah, yours is very good. Okay, Vicenza, Tanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your name is very long.
Yeah. Okay, so good morning, sir and friends. I'm in good condition, but my voice just a little bit cracked. My reasons why I take this class because I want to study HRM. So let me introduce myself. My name is Vicenza Tania Titaskirasi, and people call me Censa. I'm from Pontianak, and my address is Parit Haji Husin 2 Street, Komplek Permatagria, number B. I was graduated from Senior High School 1 Pontianak, and the reasons why I take international class because the learning system and the environment is good, and I just think that I need to improving my English, and that's why I choose management international class. My idea in the future, I'm still immature to think about it, but what I know, I have to be a successful and independent woman. My motto is courage and be kind, and I believe those two words, courage and kindness, is the most powerful trait that we must apply to ourselves. And the reasons why I take HRM is because I want to grow and develop my human capabilities in an organization so that it can be utilized as well as possible. The important role of HRM in organization is activity that improve cross-functional communication and ensure that the company is organizational and structure is good or respect. And that's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Good. Yours is very, very fun. Yeah. Good English. Okay. I hope you can get your future goal. Yeah. Yeah. Be successful in your goals. Okay. Okay. Nisha Nazifa.
Yes, sir. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear your voice, please. Okay.
Okay. So the reason why I joined this class because I want to learn the human resource management. And then let me introduce myself. My name is Nisha Nazifa. People usually call me Nisha or Nipa. I live in Pontianak since I was born. My address is Jalan Tanjung Raya 2, Gang Haji Abdul Samad, number 8 in Saigon. I graduated from SMA Negeri 3 Pontianak. The reason why I take international class because I'm interested in the exchange program, and I also want to work internationally. In the international scope. Because my biggest plan in the future is I want to open my own brand internationally, especially in New York. In my life, my motto is apa yang kita tuai itu yang kita apa yang kita tanam itu yang kita tuai. Because I have a belief we're gonna get things that we do to the others. I take human resource management because it is applied to all kinds of business. by learning HRM, not only to manage and optimize human resource in the business, it also can optimize myself as a human being. And then lastly, in my opinion, a good manager in an organization can provide guidance and help the employees to identify their strength and weakness. So it is very important. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good ya, good English ya. So ilmu is apa yang kita tanam itu yang kita dapat ya. Is that true? What how to say in English? Apa yang kita tanam itu yang kita dapat. It is also proverb ya. Okay, we can find the English word for your motto ya. How to say tanam ya, tanam plants ya. What so you will get what you have planted in your life, so right? Okay, so you must do something good yeah for your future, and you must study hard, work hard yeah, and according to the Mr. Eric Thohir, so you must have also good akhlak. So what does akhlak mean? So later I will talk about akhlak in HRM. So that what akhlak means in HRM. Okay, good. Caleb El-Nusa Pardede, are you in, Caleb?
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Okay, I'm fine. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Caleb El-Nusa Pardede. You can call me Caleb. I'm from International Management International class Tanjung Pura University batch 2020. I'm graduated from Immanuel Christian High School. I live on Jalan Swadaya Pontianak, and my hobby is singing. Why I choose Management International class? I don't know why I choose Management International class, because I have a bad English skill, yeah. So when the SBMPTN test, we have two options. The first choice, I choose regular management from Diponegoro University, and the second choice, the second option, I choose. I don't know what I choose. I don't know what must I choose. So when I see Management International class in the Tanjung Pura University, I speak in my heart like this. Wih, ada Manajemen Internasional nih di Untan. Mumpung lagi gabut, pilih A gitu kan. So I do it to just for fun. I do it to just for fun. So I'm stuck in here. But I think I will staying here because it is taking my out of my comfort zone. Yeah. So how important is human resource management for me? I think human resource management is very important because I want to a businessman. So to build a business, we need a solid team, and human resource management really helped me to build my team. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so you are still newcomer in Pontianak because you are from not Sumatra, yeah.
I'm from Sanggau.
Sanggau, yeah. Oh,
yeah.
Sanggau, okay. And you told me I listened to your speaking that your hobby is singing. Is that
yes, sir.
Can you sing an English song, please?
Okay.
Sing an English song so for everyone here. So
wait a minute. I will sing a song, Jealous.
Yeah.
From Labyrinth. Okay. I'm jealous of the rain that fall upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wine that ripples through your clothes. It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind. Wind seharusnya bukan wine. Sorry, sir.
So what does the song tell us? What does the song teach us?
Sorry?
What does the song teach us?
I don't know.
Don't know. it's about jealousy, right, man? So how does the singer feel at when the singer sing that song, so right? So what is about jealousy, yeah? Yeah, it's so good, yeah, good talent for singing. Okay, good. Be successful in your life. Okay, Caleb, ya. Okay, Fatima Jara Al Idrus. Halo Fatima, are you still in? Okay, please Fatima, can you speak? Okay. Your microphone is there's something wrong with your microphone, yeah. Okay. Mary Natania.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So my name is Mary Natania, and I live in Komplek Villa Paris on Paris 2 Street, and I'm from Indonesia. I graduated from Emmanuel Bilingual High School since 2020, and the reason why I took the international class is because I am aiming for the exchange program that was provided by the university, and also I hope that my English will improve with me taking the international class. My motto in life is don't feel that life is difficult. Actually, it all depends on one's perspective when dealing with problems. There can be also people out there who have the same problem as you, but they feel that this problem is trivial. So no matter how difficult it is for us, there are certainly other people who are experiencing more difficulties. So better be grateful. The reason why I take HRM is that I want to know the process of how people recruit and maintain their employees' work life. Surely the internet can answer my questions and curiosity, but by taking this class, I am sure that I will gain more knowledge where internet cannot provide. And the important role of HRM in organization, as far as I know, HRM help increases productivity and profit since they help motivate and maintain their employees' psychological well-being as well as their environment well-being. That's from me. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yeah, good English and very, very fluent English. Yeah, your English, you can speak English very smoothly. Okay. Abdul Rajak. Halo Abdul Rajak.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, sir, and everyone.
Look at your spectacles. And your cheek, not why is it black?
I'm using the old school laptop, sir.
Okay. Keren.
So I am Abdul Razak, a student from Sibolga, North Sumatra. I also graduated from one of the popular old school in Sibolga, named SMA Negeri 1 Sibolga. So I think about taking the international class, I think this is still the most ridiculous thing that I could ever imagine I ever met. Because so basically I was graduate student majoring in language in high school and really don't know anything about economics. And I personally never enjoyed learning it. And I wanted to take literature or art, but because of some interest and other things, I couldn't help but take it and didn't choose gap year for the second time. And talking about the future for now is up to the creator of life, in the sense that I don't have any plans for the future related to the major I'm taking right now. So just let it flow. And then the motto I have is expect the worst without hoping it truly. Means that I can picture myself how grateful about something that I really think what bad stuff will come to me, and it always turned out it's not that bad. It's not really the bad that I could have imagined. And I will end up be more positive about it. And I take this HRM class because this is a compulsory or obligation subject And I also think that this is one of the main part of what we should learn about management stuff. That's why this is including one of those focuses. And then one of those focuses that which part I'm struggling to work on right now. And then anyway, the friends I've met in here is incomparably the best. So here I am. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good ya, good English ya, Rajak ya. So you are from Sibolga ya? So,
Yes, sir.
So is it in North Sumatra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is your marga?
My dad is Bugis, sir.
Oh, Bugis. So you are not native from Sumatra ya?
Not really, sir.
Okay, good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right, Safa Afrilia?
Me, sir.
Okay, please. Right.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. My name is Safa Afrilia, and I came from Pontianak, West Kalimantan. I live in Professor Dr. Hamka Street number 28, and I graduate from Senior High School 3 Pontianak. The reason why I took this international class because I want to improve my English and take the exchange program. My idea in the future, maybe I will start my own business. My motto life is hold the world before the world holds you. The reason why I took the HRM class because I want to learn and understand more about HRM so I can use it in the future. The important HRM in organization is provide fair compensation to motivate employees for improve their performance. That's it, sir. Thank you.
I want to ask you, all right, how does the world hold you? How does the world hold you?
Sir.
How does the world hold you?
I don't know, sir.
Good, yeah. So you must hold the world, not the world hold you. Is that? It means that you must master the world. Yeah. If you want the world hold you, you must have good communication. You must master the communication. So that master the information.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So by having the good by mastering the information, you can hold your world. So that information plays also very most important thing to hold to master the world. Okay. Okay, good.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Angelica Firdaus.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
So I'm in good conditions, and the reason I am joining this class because I want to learn about HRM. And let me introduce myself. My name is Angelica Firdaus. I live on M. Sabang Street. I am from Pontianak. I graduated from SMA 6. The reason I take international class because I am interested in the exchange program. And the idea in the future, be successful. My model life is life teaching me through my mistake. The reason I took HRM because I'm curious to know more about HRM and its important role in the organization more detail. And the important role of HRM in organization that we can manage well people where are the key to the success of an organization. That's all for me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. And then please, Ria Sulastri.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ria Sulastri. You can call me Ria. My condition is good. I attend the lecture to learn human resource management. I live in Monodadi 2 Street. Ada near 3 residents, Sungai Raya, Kuburaya. I come from Bengkayang. Yeah. I graduated from Vocational High School 3 Pontianak. I choose international class because I want to improve my skill and learn management. In the future, I want to have my own business and apply what I have learned. My motto is enjoy the process. I choose human resource management because it's important in building a business. If you have a good human resource, you make the company is good. Yeah. Human resource management ensures the seamless and effective application of policy and process in the business. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, good English, yeah. Okay, Fadilah Rizky Amelia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I'm in good condition and I hope you are in good condition too. My name is Fadila Rizky Amelia. I live on Tanjung Raya Street, Gang Tirta, number 2. I'm from Pontianak. My educational background is from High School 9, Pontianak. The reason I take international class is nggak sengaja. And then my idea in the future is create my own business, inshallah. My motto in my life is just keep living. Then the reason I take HRM class is I feel very interested in human resources lessons, how an organization or company manage these resources and how to run it. And then the important role of HRM in organization that I know, human resources management are the most important thing in a company or organization. Human resources is organizational core competency, has several important roles of human resources in the economy, both within company and organization. The important roles such as first, human resources management play an important role in determining factors and production. Then human resources management play a role in building and developing a company organization. And then last is human resources management are an important key and also have a big role in determining the success of an organization. And an organization will not be able to run without the role of human resources. That's all from me, sir.
Okay, good, very good. Yeah. Okay. And then Firda Veronica.
Yeah, yes, sir. Hello, sir. I'm Firda Veronica. My condition is good. I joined this meeting because I want to get knowledge about XRM so that I can complete my education here. Let me introduce myself. I'm Firda Veronica. I live at Pangeran Street, Complex Citra Sejahtera, Block J, number 11. And I'm graduated from Vocational High School 3, Pontianak. And I chose the international class because I want to learn about management. And also I want to learn to speak English. Actually, I want to take accounting international class, but I choose CARE. I cannot finish it well, so I choose the management international class. Okay, my future plan is that after I graduate, I want to work in a company. Yeah, and my life motto is to try and keep trying even we fail until we achieve it. I took the Human Resources Management class because XRM is a compulsory subject, and as a management student, it is my obligation to study it so that I can have knowledge about XRM that will equip me in the world of the work leader. XR organization plays an important role because XR determines the factors of production, builds and develops the company. Human resources requires employees and oversees activities within the company to comply with SOPs and or company rules. That's all for me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good English ya. And how to say in English, belajar bahasa Inggris, belajar berkomunikasi, how belajar bagaimana berbicara. How to say in English?
Yeah.
Everyone can answer my question. How to say in English, belajar berkomunikasi. How belajar orang, how to say in English?
How to learn English, maybe?
Yeah, learn how to communicate. So you must say learn how to communicate. Don't say learn to communicate, it is wrong. Yeah? When you want to say the belajar berkomunikasi, don't say learn to communicate is not good. It's not good English. So you must say learn how to communicate. Right? Belajar berbicara bahasa Inggris, learn how to speak English. Yeah, not learn to speak English, no, but learn how to speak English. The best English for the grammar English, the grammatical English for the sentence So when how do we learn learns must be followed by 2 + 2 + infinitive We must learn how to past infinitive. Learn how to, not learn to. Yes, that. Okay, good. Yeah, very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, Vivian.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Vivian Vanessa. Okay, Vivian Vanessa.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Is Vivian?
Yes, it's me.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, hello, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vivian Vanessa. My condition is I'm great enough today. And the reason why I attend this class because I want to study about human resource management in depth. For the introduction, my name is Vivian Vanessa. You guys can call me Vivi. I live at Jalan 28 Oktober, Siantan. I'm from Pontianak, and for my educational background itself, I was graduated from St. Paul Senior High School in Pontianak also. And the reason why I take international class because honestly, it is my friend's recommendation. So I just take it and I think it is interesting in learning and studying everything in English. Also, I hope I can get unique experiences that would not be gotten if I were in the regular class. Then my idea for the future is, of course, I want to be success and I have to get a very good work so I can get my financial stability, and I want to make my parents very proud of me as well. And the next one is the motto of my life is Ora et Labora, or we know as pray and work, because I do really believe the power of praying and keeping up the good work. Then the next one, the reason why I take HRM because I want to learn about this lecture and I know it will be important in taking role because we know it is one of the concentration options in management department. Also, I do get interested to know more about what will be learned in this lecture itself. And also, we all know this lecture is a must subject that we have to take for this fourth semester. And the important role of HRM in organization, in my opinion, is this department want to make sure every employee that working is qualified well in order to place the right man at the right place. Also, they have a job to manage every human capital for the organization. And HRM also creating good culture for the organization and keep supervising the relation between the employees. That's all for me. Thank you very much for your attention.
Okay, good. Yeah. Fatima Azara Al-Idrus, please. Fatima Azara.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Finally. Okay, hello, good morning. My name is Fatima Zara Al-Idrus, and the majority usually address me by Nina. It's my utmost pleasure to get this opportunity to introduce myself in front of everyone in class, but I'm sure we have known each other quite well. I currently live at Jalan Profesor Muhammad Yamin, Kota Baru, and I'm from Pontianak. I was graduated from SMA Negeri 10 Pontianak. And speaking of the reason why I want to take international class, because I have always been putting my interest in English, and my parents thought that getting me into this department will help me to improve my English skills, since we all know English is regarded as the global language and is utilized for our form of official communication all over the world. If I don't know how to speak English fluently, I will kind of like decrease my opportunity in the future. And for the question, what is my day in the future? Coming to the question to what I want to be in the future, the answer is actually I'm still confused. I do have some basic idea on what I will be, but at the moment I'm just confused with the exact thing. It's not actually a piece of cake as most of us used to think when we were a kid, like I want to be a doctor or everything like that. But I know I will definitely be someone that I aspire at. But at this point of time, I'm just going with the flow of the life. I've always wanted to be someone who is success in life ever since I was a kid, not only in a material, but every aspect in life. I want to explore many countries, travel, eat, enjoy nature and diverse culture. But only that I realized that it wasn't easy as thought, so I need to work hard to be someone that I wish I could be.
And for the motto, I actually have a lot of life motto, but one of them is never do things that you will regret later. And the reason I wanted to take this class because I want to learn about higher RM, since I have found that higher RM play an important role in every organization. I think it helps in structuring teams, which will help me a lot in the future. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good English, yeah. Okay, Sally, please. Sally.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, Sally.
Okay. Good morning, everyone's answer. I'm in good condition now. I joined this meeting because I want to learn about HRM. First of all, my name is Sally. I'm from Pontianak. I was graduated in Emmanuel Senior High School. I live at Purnama Street. Why I take international class? Because I have interest with the exchange program, which is provided by this major. My motto is be the best version of myself. I have a plan to make my own business in the future. I take this course because I want to learn about everything related to HRM and also help me in choosing a concentration in the next semester. The importance of HRM in organizations is improve cross-functional communication and ensures that the company's organizational structure is respected. That's all from me. Thanks for the kind attention.
Also, you live with my house, so you live in Purnama, yeah? Jalan Purnama, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, live with my house, okay. Delpia Putri Aspasia, are you in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today I'm not in a good condition. The reason why I take the HRM because it is a very interesting to add inside and to know more about HRM, the way it is managed people in an organization. It is really interesting for me. And then my name is Delphia Putri Aspasya. I'm from Singkawang. Right now I live on Jalan Adi Sucipto, Kuburaya. I graduated from Senior High School 3 Singkawang. So the reason why I take international class is because I think right now majoring English and to be able to speak in English is really important for me to get a benefit in the future, especially when you work in an organization or a multicultural company. And it is really important too to have a confidence to speak in English. And my motto in life is whatever happens, stay alive. It means that whatever has happened to you and no matter how hard life is, you just have to live it and keep holding on. So my idea in the future is to be independently financially stable and have a backup plan to be a lifesaver, and also apply management science to build a purposeful life. And the last is the important role of HRM in the organization is to maximize effectively employees' performance, to support organizations' strategic and become solutions for organization to managing the job of the resources problem. That's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good English. Okay, Natania Lauren.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. So thank God today I'm still in a good condition, and the reason I attend this lecture is because I want to learn more about human resource management. And let me introduce myself. My name is Natania Lauren. You can call me Nathan. I live at Jalan Adi Sucipto, Sungai Raya, and I'm from Pontianak. I was graduated from Emmanuel Vocational High School, Sungai Raya. And the reason why I take international class is because I'm interested in the exchange program that is available only for international class students. And I also want to improve my English skill. And my idea for the future is I want to help my parents in handling their business and also plan to promote and expand their business to another places in and outside Indonesia. Actually, I'm not really confident about this plan, but I will just try my best to help them. And my motto in my life is, what is meant to be yours will always find its way to you. I really like to motivate myself with these words because it reminds me to not become very ambitious or put high expectation in doing something. So if I didn't get what I wanted, I will not feel so disappointed and down. So these words always reminds me to just do my best in everything I do.
Yeah.
The reason I take HRM is because I want to learn more about human characteristic and to know how to manage people, and also to help me improve my social skill, which I'm still like about it. And the last is the important role of HRM in organizations is to recruit and manage employees to work effectively in order to achieve organization's goals. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, good. Yeah. So the most important words. Yeah. So we must never say die. Is that right? Yeah. Yes. We must say never say die. We must try and try and try our best to do something there to get our goals. Okay, good. Yeah. And then Yoshia Aldora Sianturi. Yoshia.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yosia Centuri. I'm 20. I attend this lecture because I want to study about ARM. Allow me to introduce myself. My name, I live in Kuburaya on Nangkasa 2 at Komplek Dan Tirta Buamora 11. I graduated from Bayangkari High School. And I choose international class because I want to get used to English. My future plans, I want to build my own company in the future. My life motto is don't just wait, but create your own time. The reason why I take HRM classes is I want to know how to manage human resource in a company. The important role of HRM in an organization is to maximize employee performance. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah. So you must try your best to do something so for your future. Okay. Bill Grace Afrianda.
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes. It's clear, very clear.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everyone. My condition is good. I attend this class because I want to acknowledge more about human resource management. And first of all, introduce myself. My name is Bill Grace Aprenda. You can call me Bill. I live in Jalan Purnama, Block 3. My region is Sintang City. I was graduate from Senior High School 3 in Sintang. The reason why I take international class some point in my life before I take this class is first, I want deep more learn English, include practice or implication, and more listening, because English language is international language, which on all country recognize that. It made I choose international class. And my idea, especially for my future, is helping other people in this country to come out from unemployment and open net employment. With running a business and sector agriculture community, because natural wealth Indonesia is so big, and my motto is become a person who can be useful for others. The reason I take HRM is HRM as a subject, how to knowing and learning about employee behavior, start from how to recruit employee, and I want to know way to increase skill and potential each human. it will good building a company based on ability, age, employment. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I want to ask you, Bill, how can you
Yes.
use the word Bill in your name? So Bill Grace, yeah. When
Yes.
I read your name, so I mean that you are from other country or maybe from foreign country because your name is Bill Grace, yeah.
Yes, yes.
How can you use the word Bill in your name? Can you maybe there's the story of your name?
Yes, of course, sir. My dad mungkin bapak saya pernah bilang kalau nama saya itu diambil dari
Bill Gates.
Ya, itu salah satunya, sir. Tapi ada artinya, Gigi.
What does it mean?
Kalau satu-satu ya, sir. Kalau nama saya kan Bill Grace Sabranda. Kalau Bill itu kan dalam Inggrisnya kan lonceng ya. Kemudian Grace itu anugerah, kemudian Apri itu bulan lahir, kemudian Anda itu nama keturunan
So
dari
Bills mean reckoning, tagihan. Is lonceng bell.
Iya, mungkin kayaknya seartian gitu.
Yeah, but maybe your parent like Bill Gates. Yeah, Bill Gates is the rich person. Yeah, the most richest person.
Of course,
so maybe your parent wants you to be like Bill Gates. Yeah.
I mean, sir. Thank you, sir.
In technology, sir, in computers. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, Norifa Devianti.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
My name is Norifa Devianti. I'm from Pontianak and I live in Jalan Nirbaya. I graduated from SMA Negeri 7 Pontianak.
Yeah.
The reason I took international management is because it provides various kinds of knowledge. I also want to improve English skills and I hope I can participate in student exchange so I can make a lot of friends.
Yeah.
The reason I took this human research management class because I want to learn to optimize company performance through good employee management. My motto is don't rush the process, good things take time.
Yeah.
I think the role of HRM is to recruiting employees and selecting the best among all the candidates applying for jobs in the company. That's all for me.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Novel Dwi Febrianto.
Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir, and everyone. My name is Noval Dwi Febrianto, sir. You can call me Noval. I live at Jungkat City. It is a part of Mempawah City, but it's closer to Pontianak, sir. And my educational background, I'm from Darussalam Sungguh Islamic Boarding School for the high school. And then the reason why I choose international class because the first is international. It sounds cool for me, and it's an honor for me that can be a part of international student, and also because not only for the exchange, but I want to know more about another people. Maybe I learned in Pontianak, still in Pontianak, but I want to know more about maybe from another country with communication with people out there, right? So this, of course, for no experience for me. And then my idea in the future, of course, I want to have a proper job and then create a good job opportunities for other people. And my motto in my life is beyond your limit, because we have to move, right? Move to comfort zone and then thinking out of the box. And maybe people feel so insecure about themselves, they cannot do anything.
There's something wrong with the network. Yeah, something wrong with the
try and to know more about people and want to set up them based off their potential and set up employee to improve the cross-functional communication and ensures that the company's organizational structure is going well. Enough, sir. That's all for me.
Okay, good. So I look at three fighting aircrafts on your background. Why do you put that? Do you like fighting aircrafts? Your background. So.
Oh no, sir. That's just to make it different, sir.
You like it? Yeah,
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, is there anyone who hasn't got the opportunity to speak here? Because I have written, I have known your name from your WhatsApp, from the WhatsApp group, and I asked you to write your name and your picture. Is there anyone, only student who hasn't got the opportunity to speak? No. Okay, so everyone speak, spoken, yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello. You haven't got the opportunity to speak. What's your name?
Yes, sir.
Erwin, yeah. Oh, please speak, Erwin. Okay, Erwin.
Okay. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Erwin, and I live at Jalan Karya Baru, and I'm from Sintang. The reason I choose international class is as a new experience, and the reason I choose the human resource management course is to learn how to use of individual efficiently and effectively, and can be used optimally to achieve organization or company goals. That's all from me, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So please let me share screen, yeah, and I will explain something. Can you look at this? Can you read this?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, so in this semester I teach you human resources management. Yeah, human resources management in organization. So HRM plays a very important role in organization. In your house is also important, right? So HRM can also be applied in your family. Yeah, so your father, your mother, and the children, right? So father and mother have people, must manage the people. People in this case refer to the human resource. Okay, so after you have this chapter, you should be able to define human capital and identify the 7 categories of HR activities and discuss how organizational culture and HR are related and identify 4 areas that are part of this relationship, explain how organizational ethical issues affect human resource management, and then provide an overview of 6 challenges facing human resource today, and describe how the major rules of HR management are being transformed, explain the key competence needed by HR professional and why certification is important. So when you want to get effective communication, so when you want to want to know the 7 core skill and competencies, every HR professional must have effective communication, relationship building, adaptability skill, technological skill, keep learning, critical thinking, and interpersonal skill. This is very important, yeah, in HRM. Yeah. So when you want to be good manager, so you must have this, right? Yeah, in the future. So you must be a manager in the future, so right? To be a good manager, so you must have skill and competencies. Yeah. So you must have a human resource professional. You must know your people. You must be able to manage your people. Yeah. Yeah, so you'll be successful in your in your career in the future. Okay, but I don't want wait a minute. Okay, so what are we going to discuss in chapter 1? So this for next week, yeah. This for next week. So I have posted a book entitled Human Resource Management. Yeah, on WhatsApp. Yeah, I think you have downloaded the book. Yeah, and you must read the book. Yeah. So the book maybe has 16 chapters, yeah. So the way I teach you, so I want to give you some question and discuss together next week, yeah. Discuss together, and I will put a lot of question, and if the student can answer, you can raise your hand, yeah. So in this Zoom application, there is the raise hand, yeah, and you must be active in answering the question. So the more you active, the better. So if you are active in this discussion, so you will get good grade, the best grade HRM. So I look at your activity, not the examination. Your activity, you attend the course, yeah, you must be active. So if you want to get good grade, you must be active. And maybe the assignment, so because you are in Pontianak, yeah, you can form a group of 10. So I posted 3 videos, the drama. the HRM drama, Luvia and Yunar. Is this also there? And then about the leadership drama, yeah. And you must watch the drama. So maybe I will ask you to have a drama also in HRM, so that because you're not in Pontianak, yeah. Yeah, you can form a group of 10. You can create a drama of HRM for your assignment structure. Okay, and yeah, and then in examination, I use YouTube. Yeah, you must video record your answer by using YouTube video and then upload it into YouTube, and you must post the link in WhatsApp and Facebook. I used to media, Facebook media, and then the WhatsApp. Yeah, okay. This is the way of my teaching. So everything must be video recorded, right? And so when the course is over, so you must video record what we have discussed today, right? Yeah. So okay, so first employee engagement. So we are going to study employee engagement and HR culture, social networking, organizational ethic and HR management, HR rule, innovation ethic, current and future HR management challenge, fastest growth in job challenge, workforce demographic diversity, and then managing in HR in organization, human resource management rules, human resource management competencies and career, and human resource professionalism and certification. So so we are going to talk about this next week, yeah. And then maybe I to this from now I will post the question, and you must answer the question. And then on the next Tuesday you can express your opinion and answer the question. We can discuss together, so right? And then critical thinking activities, and then human resource experiential problem solving and the case. And you must answer this case, yeah. Okay. Okay, there is a saying from Donald Trump. You have to think anyway, so why not think big? So you must think big, so right? Yeah, so it's a good saying. Yeah, you have to think anyway. So everyone must think, yeah. Yeah, everyone think. I must think. You must think. Why? So why not think big, so right? So we must think big, don't think small, correct? Yeah, so we must have good dream and we must think big, yeah. And then plans are nothing, planning is everything. So we must have good planning, yeah, not only plan. Plan is, you know, if you don't have good planning, your plans are nothing, correct? Yeah, your planning must be good, yeah. And then there are no so secret to success is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning to from failure. This is the best saying, correct? So in my own motto is that we must always keep smile. We must also smile in every situation. So so you must know the power of smile. Yeah. 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 It's very good. So the student must smile. Always smile. When you study marketing, so smile is very important. So right? Smiling is how to take your customers. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is what we are going to study next week. So this is so your assignment is to answer the question given next week. Yeah, chapter 1. So you must read chapter 1. Yeah, and we can discuss together. I will post it some question related to chapter 1, and you must be active in discussions in order to get good grades, the best grade at SRM. So when you are active, so all the students can get A grades at SRM. Yeah. But if you only keep silent and are not active, so you will not be able to get good grades. Yeah, activity is the most important thing. So right in this course, and speak English. So we can we study together. We share something on HRM. Yeah, yeah. Any question to ask? Any question? Do you have any question? Don't be shy to ask. If you have something difficult or not to understand, please ask me. Any question? Yeah, do you know the way of my teaching? So when the course is over today, for example today, so you must be the record. Yeah, you record what we have discussed today, and then you must upload your video into YouTube, and then you must post the link in WhatsApp group and Facebook group. So that, yeah, it's the way. So I also teach your senior and EIM in this way. Yeah, we discuss together, and I hope all of you must speak, must enter into discussion. So right, not silence. So right. So I will look at your activity, and I will tell you the question, the midterm test question before the schedule. Yeah, so you can answer first, and then you can record your test. It's like this. So my point is only your activity, and maybe your structure assignment is having drama. Yeah, drama in HRM. So you can form a group of 5, a group of 4, of 10, so that, and you have drama. So I posted some drama on WhatsApp group, and you can watch the drama. So that, yeah. So what's the title of the drama? It is about the leadership. It's about motivation. It's about anything related to HRM. Any question?
Sir.
Please.
About recording, we start next week, right?
Next week, yeah, next week. Not next week, because today we just only.
It's just introduction. Yes.
So we start next week.
Thank you, sir.
When we discuss something, yeah. So
Yes.
we can discuss. This one is the introductory lectures. Okay. Anyone to ask it? Okay. Any question, please? So we can share together. So you have something to ask us. Don't be shy, right? Yeah. So we can say that this our big family, HRM family, so that. Yeah, this is HRM family. So this family has 36 children, so that students, right? Yeah, really. Okay, so so on the schedule, so there are 2 names, Bu Titi Rosnani and I. So that Bu Titi Rosnani is my sister. So in HRM, I handle full. I handle full. Yeah, I handle full. I teach you full. Yeah, Bu Titi is busy maybe, so I handle you. I teach you full. Yeah. So in this semester, I teach you in this semester. In HRM department, I teach HRM, H1 HRM, organizational behavior, and performance management. So there are 4 subjects I teach in HRM. Yeah. Okay. Anyone to ask again, please? Before I close this course, don't be shy, because it is a big, so we have a big HRM family. Yeah. So you must think this group is a family, HRM family. Yeah. Wait a moment. Okay, if there is no question, so I think it's time for me to say goodbye. Yeah, so have a nice day, be diligent and be successful for your future. Yeah, you must study harder and harder to get your future. And if you have some question, you can ask me in WhatsApp group, or you can call me, or you can write your question on Facebook group. Yeah, So you can also answer the question, give comment the Facebook group, HRM 2022 ya. No question? Okay, thank you very much for your attention. And so see you later next week. Okay, see you later next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave your room, please.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.